guys, this is Zebra00. Welcome back to another fantastic YouTube video. And today, I'm going to build a computer inside this Amazon box right here. From all my tech reviews, it looks like I don't really know how to do any tech things, so this is my chance to prove that I know something about electronics. So I'm going to say all the parts that I have to build this computer, and we'll get started. Here is the motherboard and CPU. It's a H67M GE ROC motherboard, and we have the i5-2400, and we already have the CPU cooler on the motherboard. It's a pretty good CPU. It's kind of cheap, but it'll get the job done for what we're gonna do. And we have a really good graphics card to compensate for that. Here we have the GTX 980. This thing is like a beast. It is. Just look how it's like amazing. So this is gonna play some Fortnite. Okay, now we have 16 gigabytes of Ripjaw's G-Skill RAM. They look awesome. Look, they're blue. So we have a 256 gigabyte SSD. This thing is gonna make games load super quickly. Let's see, look at this. Ooh, nice. We have this giant 550 watt Corsair power supply. This thing is gonna power the computer to the moon. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is cut the sides off these boxes and screw in the motherboard right into this box. For some extra support, I'm going to add this cardboard to the back of it. So when I drill in the motherboard to the box, it doesn't just like fall out, especially with the weight of the graphics card. So I'm gonna outline the ports so we can cut a hole in the side of the box so we can plug stuff into the motherboard. Boom, see that? Okay, so now I'm gonna I have a bunch of these screws, and I'm just gonna kind of randomly screw this in to the cardboard so it stays. That actually worked. Look, it's not coming out. But look at this. Look on the back here. It's really good. It's like actually tight in there. This is a little dangerous, but it's gonna keep the motherboard in there. Okay, so I needed to take the graphics card out to put the RAM in. We got our snazzy G-Skill Ripjaw's RAM. Just throw these in. Fits perfectly. Yes. Okay, so now I have to put the power supply in the computer, something like that. And I need to cut this part out, and we'll be good. Then we just put it in here. Look at that. That is perfect. Sturdy. Okay, so the power supply is securely in. I have my SSD right here, and I'm gonna plug it in to the motherboard. Quality. Like have it right there and tape it or something like that. Now I need to plug all the stuff from the motherboard into the power supply so it gets some power. It's gonna be a lot of stuff in the end. So I have the DVD drive right here, and I'm just kind of like taping it to the top of the computer. Maybe it'll work. Okay, everything is like kind of in place. Hopefully it's plugged in. I'm just gonna do the last plug-in thing for this disk drive. There we go. That's plugged in somehow. always works. Then just put it under here. Boom. Okay, so now we have our lights. This is gonna make it a true gamer's computer. We have tons of color combinations. Tons of color combinations. So I'm just gonna like attach this along the top and bottom of the computer. Okay guys, I just taped this piece of cardboard in front of all the wires so it's not as messy. Let's put the final piece of tape on. Wow, this is great. I just need to do this crazy thing to turn it on because there's no power switch. I need to connect all these prongs together with a screwdriver to somehow turn it on. It's gonna be a little crazy, but let's go plug it in and hopefully we can get it working. So epic.
Thank you.
And then we have the power supply, which is in the front. This is definitely not a fire hazard. Okay guys, so are you ready for what we've all been waiting for? The RGB. RGB. Do you see that? Red, green, blue? Yeah, I know. Okay, now we have to see if it actually works as a computer. Okay guys, so there's no power switch in this computer, so I'm forced to kind of connect prongs with this screwdriver. Let's see if
the middle.
No, I can't touch anything except the prongs that I need, because I don't want to like short circuit anything. Did you see that? It actually worked. I didn't think that would work at all. Okay guys, it's been about 2 hours and I'm absolutely dying here. Something was not plugged in right and the computer, the monitor was just going to power save mode, and I was trying for 2 hours to like fix it. Turned out one thing was unplugged, but it's all good now. It's good. And I just need to put Windows 10 on it. Got it right here. And also it was kind of collapsing, so I need to put the disk drive on top. No biggie, you know. Still looks phenomenal. See, all good. Yes. See that? That's Windows 10. Cardboard computer. Okay guys, look at this masterpiece. Gonna just select this. United Kingdom, United States. Just go next, install now. Okay guys, I just entered the product key, accept the license. Do that. Guys, we're getting things ready.
Actually, the resolution's.
I know, because you need the NVIDIA. Yeah. Okay, so this is Barzilai. I built this computer for him. You're so welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're downloading the GeForce drivers for the GeForce 980. How do you feel, Barzilai?
I'm excited.
We're gonna play Fortnite on this thing, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay guys, after like a million hours, everything is working on here. We have Epic Games open and downloading Fortnite. And you can see everything is plugged in. It is actually working. It is actually running off of this cardboard computer. Legendary. So if you would like to see us win a game of Fortnite on this cardboard computer, Stay tuned for the next video. It will be soon. And if you would like us to make more computers inside cardboard boxes, let us know in the comments below. Follow my gaming setups Instagram, Sick Gaming Setups with a Z at the end, and stay sarcastic.